Yo, yo, here we go. Flat level horizontal line x-axis. Okay, this way. Z-axis, this way, okay? Water flowing and falling, okay? Level here, falling, because it's denser than the air between it and the denser ground. Then, when it stops flowing and it finds a new container, it levels like that again. The aeronaut can see for himself that the earth is a plane. The appearance presented to him, even at the highest elevation he has ever attained, is that of a concave surface, this being exactly what's to be expected of a surface that's truly level, since it is the nature of level surfaces to appear to rise to a level with the eye of the observer. This is ocular demonstration and proof that the earth is not a globe. 1885, William Carpenter. 100 proof the earth is not a globe. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. NASA lies about what you are. You just bunch of light. You're not balls of gas. There's no solar systems, planets, galaxies, and all that shit. No planets are circling around these lights. They're all lights. They're either fucking fixed lights or they're fucking wandering. And there's only a few wandering, and they called them wandering stars. But then Freemasons came along and called them fucking planets and said you can land on the shit. It's nuts. And then they tell you that this shit's fucking going on, okay? This retard shit. How does any of these motherfuckers supposed to mate? It's ridiculous. Oh, look, it's only more proof of the flat earth. Isle of Man seen from Russell Beach, 63 fucking miles away. Isle of Man seen from... There's supposed to be 2,646 feet of curvature. Where's the fucking curvature? When? 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 When is it? When? Eye level. Still eye level. Ball earth. Level plane. There's your eye level. Ball earth's supposed to be curving down at your feet, below your feet, like this. Okay? That's coming up to your eyes. It's flat because it's going on and on. Oh, and I read this. Atmosphere, positive pressure. Vacuum of space, negative pressure. Science, no barrier necessary. Bullshit. It's ridiculous. Okay? If that's the case, then why the fuck the submarines at 10,000 feet have to deal with this pressures here, huh? Huh? Because it has to have a barrier to prevent the high pressures from crushing this fucking sub. It has to be steel, or this high pressure will crush this fucker. If it gets down low enough where the pressure is, it will crush. Long exposure SpaceX rockets performing trajectory in lower atmosphere. Long exposure airliner takeoff. This is an airliner taking off. It flies up to this distance and it levels off, okay? Now this shit starts going back fucking down. And we've seen them hit the ground. And then they fucking say it was a successful fucking science and education told us, and we believe, that ships fell behind curvature at sea level with the horizon at 3 miles away. But as we can observe, the horizon stayed fixed at eye level regardless of altitude gained. So how could a ship drop but horizon stay fixed at eye level? It's just idiocy. You were lied to. Alright, I did this one, sorry. Sometimes these freaking things get mixed up and I repeat them, but hey, some people don't see them. It's good to repeat some of these, if they're good ones. Wouldn't you just look at this fucking ridiculous screenshot from NASA latest video trying to pass this CGI off as real footage of the sun? It's ridiculous. Again, can you be so indoctrinated that you're not insulted when NASA releases images like this? Did North America go on a diet? I mean, look how fucking small it is and look how big it is here. I mean, are you that dumb that when NASA gives, you don't see the difference in size here? You're that dumb you can't tell that that's smaller than that and that that's bigger than that? You're that fucking dumb. You're not that dumb. You're just fucking in denial. You hate being lied to, don't you? It's okay. but we were all lied to. You're not special. Stars are clearly not, you're not a special or unique snowflake. Alright, no. Stars are clearly not suns, as can be seen here via telescopes. The space agencies are lying. You are not a special or unique snowflake. You are the all-singing, all-dancing crap of the world Fight Club. Man, I talk about brainwashing. Breaking Google trend be like, flat Earth is blowing the fuck up because you can't hide the truth forever. It's all fake. It's all fake. How NASA depicts the sunset across the entire horizon in their CGI cartoon nonsense. This is what we see in reality, is a localized light source with shrinking sunlight as it follows the sun. If the sun were really 93 million miles away, the sunset would fade evenly across the entire horizon, as this CGI here depicts the Terminator line. But this is not what we observe in reality. The sunlight shrinks and follows the sun. Earth curves downward, but horizon doesn't curve downward. Are you fucking ridiculous? Earth is flat. Welcome. We'll get you started, but we're not going to spoon feed you. Researching it is your baby. Globetards. Occult numbers, 666 and 3 flights by September leaves 3 months on the false Gregorian calendar, which gives us the Masons number 33. But the clueless, idiotic coincidence theorists have no idea what they're even looking at. Imagine, if you will, a flat, motionless plane infested with globetards. It's really simple. Water flows, and then it falls and seeks to find its level again. Various depths, still perfectly flat and level. So Buzz, the Earth's a ball, but there's no curve. Is it because you a dirty, stinking Masonic liar? We don't even know what our cage looks like because we've never seen it from the outside. It's a psychological prison. And look here, it's some more CGI of Saturn. Fake cartoon. Are you buying this fake shit? Do you really think this is real? This fucking cartoon shit? You don't. You're not that stupid. Just a little reminder of what brainwashing looks like, okay? This is what it looks like. This is what you're dealing with. And gravity was proven to be, you don't need gravity. It's proven that you don't need it. Listen to Tesla. You don't need gravity. It doesn't exist. It's a theory that's never been proven, and it can't be and never will be because it's proven to not exist, need to be needed. Only electromagnetism. It's dense and buoyant force. Period. So without the gravity, none of this crazy shit you can make an excuse for. Okay? It's fucking nuts. Hey, NASA, why is there an office reflected in your visor? With fucking pictures on the wall, light reflecting desk. Really? Space is like Santa Claus for adults. You got that one right. NASA shows you fake CGI and you believe it. Flat earthers show you that ships don't go over the curve and you ignore it. We prove to you that when ships disappear over a curvature that we can bring them back with a zoom in lens of any kind, and that it's not going over a curve. If it goes over and around a curve, you can never zoom back in on it because it went around the corner. Say a building, around the corner of a building. You can't zoom in on it. It went around and behind the building. But the fact that you can zoom in every fucking time proves it's flat and not going around anything. Flat Earth is a lie, huh? Then why aren't any flat earthers going back to believing we live on a fucking spinning retard ball? Airplane for us pushes off air. Submarines push off water, and so do boats. What does the space shuttle push off of? Imagination. Your imagination. Image. Your image. In your image in nation. The globe is scientific? Show me that scientific experiment again, where they bend the ocean, and how you get water to stick to something when it's spinning at 1,000 miles an hour. If the Earth is a ball, how does the shadow of K2 extend into space? There's no space. All right. How could we see the top of the shadow? Why are the sides straight? Why doesn't the shadow curve? Where's the curvature? Where? Love that. Where is it? Where? God, I love that. If you believe in the heliocentric spinning globe ball model, then you believe this is happening right now in Australia. Then you're batshit. You're you're nuttier than squirrel turds. What in tarnation? Even fucking Jed said this shit's crazier than squirrel turds. Cinderella's castle at NASA mission control? Are you fucking kidding me? It's all, I told you again, NASA, Disney World, Freemasons, Satanic Luciferian agenda, and pedophilia are all one and the same. Okay? Walt Disney, it's all one and the same. I have a degree, so you must believe whatever I tell you, no matter how stupid it is. Buoyancy and density are not theories. Gravity's not needed. Tesla said it's just electromagnetic force that you have to counter, proving you don't need gravity and it doesn't exist. It's just density and buoyancy. That's why you got this submarine here with steel that's not sinking, and this thing is floating in air, midair. Oblate, spheroid, pear-shaped. No, it's fucking flat. Google the Antarctic Treaty, no fly zone, no exploration, no boats may approach. When the governments of the world unanimously tell you no, they're hiding something very big from you. Right? Right, fucking bear? Eating bear shit? Crazier than squirrel turds.